Hello friends, as continuation of our electrical drawing, so we are going to draw one simple lap winding. Here is one problem is given. Based on previous basics, we are going to draw this lap winding. Here, draw a simple single layer. Problem is the single layer. That means one slot, one coil side. Lap winding is given. A DC machine having a 24 slots. So slots is given. 24 slots is given. And a two-pole machine. P is equal given two-pole machine. Draw the ring diagram. What is the question? Draw a ring diagram. This is the question. Okay, so for this purpose, any winding diagram in electrical engineering, so first prepare one simple calculations. You are going to one simple calculations. First step, simple calculations. Calculations 1. Second one is prepare winding table. Winding table. And third one, draw winding diagram. Winding diagram. And fourth one is make it draw ring diagram. Ring diagram. Okay, these are the 4 steps you have to follow for easy construction of any winding. Let us take first simple calculations. What are the calculations is given? So based on given, now here simple layer from this one. So number of conductors Z is equal to number of conductors, that is equal to each slot having the one conductor because single layer. So that is equal to, so here 1 into 24, that is equal to 24 conductors. Each slot having the only one conductor, the each conductor into 24 slots. The P is given. Then find the pole pitch. What is the pole pitch? The distance between the two consecutive poles. That is equal to total number of conductors by number of poles. Number of conductors is 24. And number of poles is equal to, then 12 is the pole pitch. That means 12 conductors under north pole, 12 conductors under south pole. Okay, that is a pole pitch. So here we taken the, suppose for example this is the one pole north pole, and this is as for example this is under south pole. That means the conductors nearly, so here 12 conductors under south pole and north pole and 12 conductors under This is regarding to this family, this is regarding to this family. Okay, these are the 12 conductors under each pole. Now based on this one, we find that what is the back pitch. So YB back pitch, we know that what is the back pitch? The distance between the starting of the coil to the other one pole pitch at the back side of that one. Okay, so back pitch is equal to, so we know that the Z by P plus 1. Okay, for the back pitch. So Z by P already we know what is the 12. 12 plus 1, 13. That is the back pitch is a 13. As we know that back pitch and front pitch always odd. Yes, we got it. The 13 is a odd. And difference by 2. So that may be plus or minus 2. Whether it's 11 or it may be 15. So here the progressive winding is given. So front pitch is equal to, okay, that is a Z by P minus 1. That is equal to, Z is equal to, Z by P is the 12, already we got it, minus 1. So we are going to get the 11. So now we know that the back pitch is equal to 13 and back front pitch is equal to 11. So differed by 2 values. Once we got it, so prepare the first step. So the first is over. Simple calculations is over. Based on this one, we calculate the what is the pole pitch, what is the back pitch, what is the front pitch we know. Okay, in simple calculations you find it. Second table is the prepare the winding table. Now, what is the winding table? You prepare here. So based on the winding table, so make it here. For example, this is take the line. Okay, so here we make it. So serial number, make it, and that is YB. Write it back pitch. Next, write the front pitch. YF. Okay, so make it. Now serial number 1. So that's first conductor. So where our first conductor plus back pitch is equal 13 and front pitch is equal, I'm going to 11. So back pitch plus 13. Okay, that is equal 14. That means from the first conductor to 14th conductor I have to connect. Next here, so what is happened? Okay, we will first prep it. Next 14. We are going to the 14. 14 minus 11 front, which we have to come to the back. So that is equal to, value is 3. Okay. Now third conductor plus 1 back pitch, 16. Now it's 16 minus 11. So we are going to 5. Dear students, you can see it simply. The 5 plus 13. What is the value? 18. So you can see 14, 16, 18, 20, 21 is just the two differences. Okay. Similarly, this is a 3, 5, these values. Okay. Now the 5, so sorry, 18. What are this value? 18 minus 11. Then what is the value? So we are going to 7. Similarly, make it this one table. So total this one. Okay. So make it the table. So what is the value? Now here we are going to 7 plus 13. We are going to get it 20. So 20 minus 11. We are going to 9. 9 plus 13. We are going to get the 22. 22 minus 11. We are going to get the 11. And 22, sorry, 11. So I take this one drawing. Is that right, sir? Okay. Now okay, so this is the what's the value lost? So 9, 11. Okay, 11 plus 13. So we are going to get 24, and 24 minus 11. So we are going to get is a 13. Okay, 13 plus 13. So we are going to get the 26. Dear students, please remember here. So but we have the only 24 conductors. 22 means, so 24 minus 26. We are going to get is the second conductor. We are going to connect the second conductor. Okay. So now here 26 minus 11. So we are going to get the 15. So just the key point you have to remember. Okay. Now with the 15 plus 13. What is that value? 28. 28 means 24 minus 28 minus 4. 24. That is we are going to get what is the conductor? Fourth conductor. Your fourth conductor you are going to connect it. So here the 28 minus 11. So 17th conductor. Okay. So next 17th plus 13th conductor. So that is the 30. But we require the only 6th conductor. Okay. So 30 minus 24. 24 is the last number of conductors. Okay. So now here the 30 minus 11 is the 19. Okay. 19 plus 13. 32 conductors. That means you are going to get the 8th conductor. Here the 32 minus 11. So we are going to get the 21. Okay. The 21 plus 13 conductors. Then we are going to, what's the value? So 34. So 34 means here 10th conductor. The 10th, the 34 now, 34 minus 11. 23 conductors. Okay. So 23 conductors. Now, so lastly 23 plus 13th conductor. So 36th conductor. That is the 12th conductor. Now 12 minus, so here 11. 12 minus 11, or we can write it the 36 minus 11. So here 12 is a higher value. So take this is called the first conductor. So you can see this starting end conductor. And what we have seen started here, this is the starting conductor. This is starting, and the first conductor connected the starting from the first slot, and we are going to get it at the same the first conductor in the first slot. So that's why this is a closed coil. Okay. So dear students, so please prepare this winding. Okay. So how to make it? So simple. Here start any one conductor, add the back pitch. So that means you are going to connect. So that here you can see back pitch means, so this, for example, this is the conductors. Okay, these are the conductors, and you are going to connect first conductor. You select the any one conductor anywhere. For example, I started this is the first conductor. Okay, here I connected the start here. Now one conductor is connected to the 14th. It should be connected to the 14th conductor. For example, so here make it the 14th conductor, this one. Okay. Next, the after 14th conductor, for example, this is the 14th, this is the first conductor, and it has to come here. Now it should be connected to the third conductor. Now this is the third conductor. Okay. So third conductor should be connected to the 16th conductor. It should be connected to the 16th conductor where it is. Okay. So similarly, that means this is the back side, that is a YB, that is equal to 13th, and so here it is coming here, this is the YF. Okay. So don't confuse. First prepare the What are the steps here? The first step is the simple calculations. Second is the prepare the winding table. Now draw the winding diagram. Let us see that one. Okay, based on this table, so we are going to draw this one. Let us see this one. Now, so prepare some solid lines. Okay, so how many conductors? Prepare the diagram. Okay, so that purpose we take the 24 conductors. Okay, so here take the one uniform distance. Okay, so 2. So dear students, make it for example small line. You can take it here. You take it the small line here. Okay, take a small line and take this one line. Take it with and the H pencil. Okay, so now take these lines. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 conductors. Okay, so make it this 24 conductors. Now this first stage, draw the all parallel lines. Okay, now number these conductors. Okay, so number 8. Okay, so here I am going to count this is a 1, this is a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24th conductor. Okay, so better to write the number of lines. Now this is the second step. And third step, better to draw the here 2 poles machine. Okay, 2 pole machine, you make it 2 poles. Here you can take the 2 poles, so you can take it. So that means 24 conductors by 2, so 12 conductors. So 12 conductors, 1 pole. So you make it. This is a, for example, this is a north pole. Then it is a make it the south pole. Okay, that is a make it south pole. Now north pole and south pole. This is the poles. Now based on the table, the winding table, simply connect it. Okay, so first conductor, what is the table? Our table, here you can see our table. You connect the 1 and 9. Okay, here take it. So what is our table? Here we connected. First conductor, it should be connected to the, here where is this one? The first conductor, it should be connected to the 14th. Okay, so we know this all. Okay, so this first conductor, wherever this one, it is connected to 14th. Where is this 14th? So here this is conductor connected to 14th here. Okay, so you can connect to 14th. Okay, the first conductor which is connected here. Okay, the 14th conductor, and From the 14th it should be connected to, so now the coming to the 12, that is connected to the third conductor as per the table. Okay, so the 14th you connect here, and where is the third? This is the third, you connect. Okay, now third conductor should be connected to 16th. Just a table, as per the table you just connect, don't confuse. 16th to 5th. Okay, so the 16th conductor, this is connected here. Where is the 5th? This is the 5th. Okay, now 5th to 18th. 15th to 18th. Where is the 18th? This is the 18th. Okay, now 18th to 7. This is this one. And where is 7? This is the 7. Okay, you have the drop there, so you can draw neatly. Okay, this 7, and this 7 back pitch is going to connect where? So that should be connected 20th. Okay, this is connected. Now 20th front pitch you are going to connect which conductor? That is the 9th. Okay, as per the table. So dear students, you can see this is the simple. Based on this table, first is connected to the 14th, and 14th is connected to the 3rd, and 3rd is connected to the 16th, and 16th is connected to the 5th. So based on this one, I am going to simple drawing. Okay, now what is that one? The last is the 9th conductor. 9th should be connected to, the 9th should be connected to which conductor? That should be connected to 9th, should be connected to 11. Okay, 22. That is the 22. Okay, 22 to 11. It should be connected to the 11th conductor. And this 11th conductor connected to 24th. That is equal 10. It's 11th, and 11th connected to 24th conductor. Okay, so the 24th is connected to 13th. Is connected to 13th. Where is the 13th? So this is the 13th. Okay, one pole pitch, 13th. Now 13 is connected to, so this 13 should be connected to, what's the connector? 2. That is the 13, or we can say the, 1 minute. Now the 13th connected to second conductor as per table. Where is the 13? This one, we connected to 13. Next is connected to this terminal, this is 13th. Okay, so that this terminal connected to second terminal. Okay, then it is going to second one, second. Okay, so from 13th round it. Now 13th to, we connected the second terminal. Okay, that second to, it is connected to the 15th. Now this is connected to 15th. Where is the 15th? Now, so second should be connected to 15th. Right, 15th. Now 15th is connected to, where is the 15th? So this is the 14th, this is the 15th. Okay, so it is connected to, is coming from second. Okay, now 15th is connected to which conductor? So 15th is connected to 4th conductor. Okay, we take it the 4th conductor. Okay, similarly it's a 2, 4, and where is the 4? 4th is here. It's coming to 13th, the 15th. Okay, So it is coming from fourth, na? Fourth is coming from 15th. Okay. Now 15th connected to now it should be connected to the fourth conductor. Now we are going to connect it fourth conductor. Now it's connected the fourth to going to the 17th conductor. So 17th. Where is the 17th? You can 16th and 17th. This is the 17th. Where it is coming? 17th is coming from fourth conductor. Okay. Then the 17th connected to sixth conductor. Okay. The sixth, similarly, you write. It's coming from 17th. Okay. The 17th conductor connected to 6 and 6 should be connected to 19th. Here 19th conductor. And 19th should be entered. Where is the 19th? This is the 19th. It is coming from 6th conductor. And 19th, this terminal is connected to 8th conductor. Okay. Now 8th conductor from this one, it's coming from 19th indicated. And this 8th conductor should be connected to 21. 21. That's, where is the 21? You can see here 21. This is the 21 from 8th conductor. And this 21, okay, so this 21 connected to 10th. 10th conductor. Where is the 10th? Here the 10th. This comes from 21. Okay. So you have the drop down and space. Easily you can write. This is a procedure, dear students. Don't confuse. Okay. So here it's connected to the where it connected to the 10th conductor. Okay. The 10th conductor connected to 23. From 23 is going, where is the 23? Here. From 10th conductor. And 23 is connected to 10th conductor. Okay. It's connected to 10th. Okay. So 10 is connected to the 23 and the 24 and this connected to 23. This one 23 connected to this 10th conductor is connected to the 23. So here it is connected to the 12th. Okay, so the 12th connector, this is the 12th, last one. You can see this is 12th. 12th is coming from 23. Okay, and finally the 12 is connected to, where is the 12? This is the 12 is connected to 24th conductor. The 24th is nothing but here last conductor. Okay, so that is nothing connected to 1. Okay, so here 12th is connected to 1, nothing, that is equal to 1, first conductor. So where is the first conductor? This is the first conductor. This is this one. Okay, so such a way that as per the diagram you draw it. Okay, so as per the table, just try to draw this drawing in the table. So based on the table, you developed the winding diagram, and you are going to get the easy with your dropped. Okay, now in this bottom side, make it one table and you connect the lines. For example, you can say this is connected to the whatever the terminals. So here indicates that the current directions in the conductors also. Let us assume the north pole all currents are coming downwards. Okay, so indicate here the current direction up to 12th conductor. Okay, so this one, this one, this one, this one. Now it indicates the opposite direction, current upward. Okay, now these connections, end connections, here you can see this is a all connections here already made it. Okay, so here there's all end connections. So all end connections connected to the one commutator segment. Okay, the commutator segment. Now you make it as a commutator segments, dear students. So this is the commutator segments, 12 segments. Now you connect the front connections to the commutator segments. So in this case we started from the conductor 1. You can see this is the conductor 1, and this conductor 1 is connected here and closed with a conductor 12 here. Then let us connect this commutator segment to 3. Next, and the third conductor is connected to the nearby the 16th one. Then you can see here. So it is connected to the fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, seventh, eighth, ninth. Okay. Similarly, you connect the remaining this all to this one. Okay. So this is the 12 conductors. You connect it. Okay, so now the slot 1 is connected to the, so remaining this 8, 9 we are going to connect here. Okay, so here we are going to connect this. So what is the, so 21 is connected here and we connect, so 23, no, this one, 23 is connected to the slot and 21 is connected to this one. Okay, now this is connection, this connection. Here slot 1 is connected to the 21 conductor, you can see here, and the slot, the commutator segment 2 is connected to the, that is the 23, and remaining, so 3 is connected to the number conductor 1 and 3 is connected, 4 is connected to number 3. Similarly you connect this one. So here simply don't confuse, simply connect it. Now based on the current direction, second step, north pole we assume the current direction in the conductor is a downward. Okay, north pole, and in south pole the current direction is opposite direction, this is upward, where we are going to get the two conductors same direction. If you observe here, the first conductor current direction is downward, and at the same time the conductor which is a 12th conductor also downward. That means the current both conductors are downwards is connected to the number 3 slot. Now the current is collecting here. You place one brush here, so plus you can indicate. Now where you are going to place the current is direction, both are coming this direction, and one place the both directions going to the upward, where you are going to see it. Now you can see, so here the current direction is upward, at the same time this direction is upwards, so 13th and 24th conductor. Okay, so that is connected to here nearly where the 9th slot, you can see it, this 9th slot. Here you connect the opposite brush, that is equal to minus. So this is now conditions where the coil having the both directions are similar, then you place one brush. Assume that if the current is coming towards the commutator, then you take as a positive, and the current direction away from the commutator, then you can do the negative. So this is press positions. Okay, clear? So this is the another step. So first step we have drawn simple calculations. Second step we have drawn winding table. Based on the we drawn the winding diagram. Okay, so this is a freehand diagram. That's why it is some confusing. So you have the drafter, you have the pencil, and uniformly you draw it. No problem. Okay, there is no confusion. After drawing the number of conductors, parallel conductors, draw the all conductors in a uniform distance and numbered the each conductor at top. Then, so as per the winding table, connect the conductors in the back side and front side. Then connect these connections to the commutator segments, and where the commutator segment connect the brushes also. The brushes where you are going to connect the current both in a coil where the current directions are same, then indicate as a one brush position. Okay, so this is the winding diagram. Now finally required is the ring diagram. Ring diagram. Ring diagram I am going to draw it. So what is a ring diagram? From this table, so I am going to draw it. Here you can see it. The first conductor, so as per the table, the first conductor is connected to the 14th. Okay, so here it first indicate the number of conductors. So how many conductors? 24 conductors. Draw it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 conductors. Okay, so these are the conductors. Now indicate the same similar to this one. Okay, so first conductor, let us assume this is the first conductor. First conductor. The first conductor is connected as per the table. You can see this first conductor is connected to which conductor? It is connected to the 14th. Okay, so where is the 14th? You can see this is the 13th, this is the 14th. Okay, here 14th. Or at the same time you can see this is the first conductor is connected to 14th. Now 14th is connected to third conductor. Okay, so that similarly. Now based on this one, it's connected to 14th. So indicate this is the 14th. Now the 14th is connected to back which third conductor. A third conductor is connected to 16th. Okay, and this is connected to 16th is connected to fifth conductor. You can see this one fifth. And fifth is connected to 18th conductor. Okay, so 8th is connected to similarly that one 7th conductor. 7 is connected to that similarity. You can see the 18th. Next is the 20. 20 is connected to 9th. 9th is connected to 20. Okay, so just you can see by seeing these figures. So here by seeing this one, simply draw this diagram. Okay, so similarly you draw this diagrams. This one is connected to the first conductor. Okay, this is conductor is the first one. So similarly draw this one. Okay, so 1, 2, it is going to this diagrams. This is known as the ring diagram. Dear students, you label the all parts. This one, what is this conductor, this conductor, this connector, you label it. Okay, so these are the ring diagram. So what he has given, so he asked the question first of all. So this is a given problem. single layer, lap winding, slots 24, number of poles to draw the ring diagram. So for these steps, so we require the simple calculations, prepare the winding table, draw the winding diagram, draw the ring diagram. So we have done simple calculations here based on previous knowledge. Next, YB, YF. So based on this one, we calculated this winding table. Okay. So after winding table, so we connected the winding diagram. So in winding diagram, so what we have seen, so there is some simple steps. What are the steps we have done? So draw the parallel lines with equal space equal to the number of conductors, and number them from left to right and select any slot as starting point, generally the top preferred. Select the slot number 1 as a starting point and proceed as per the winding table we prepared above. And below the parallel lines, draw the commutator segments and the number them as per the given data, in this case 12 segments. Connect the coil ends to the commutator segments properly and locate the poles at equal distance starting from any of the slot and name as north and south alternatively. In each conductor, mark the current direction, whether it's upward and downward. So based on your assumptions. Draw the ring diagram as per the winding table. So you know the winding table, you know the winding diagram. Simply draw the ring diagram as we require, is asking. Okay, locate the brush positions where in a coil, so both directions are same. Then mark the brush as a positive where the current directions are downwards under the north pole. Mark the brushes as negative where the current directions are upward. So these are some few points you have to remember, dear students. I think you got the rough idea. So it's very easy to draw this one. Simply practice on drawing sheet. Okay. Thank you, dear students. If you have any doubts, please go through the book. Okay. So thank you for listening.